Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by reminding you of a simple but profound truth: time is your most valuable asset. Unlike money or material possessions, time is something you can never get back once it's spent. Every second, every minute, every hour that passes is gone forever. This makes it not just valuable, but priceless. And like any priceless asset, it deserves to be managed and invested wisely. Let's think of time as a currency, one that we are all given in equal measure. No matter who you are, where you're from, or what you do, every day grants you 24 hours to use as you see fit. The question is, how are you spending it? Are you investing it in things that matter, or are you letting it slip away on distractions, procrastination, or activities that don't contribute to your growth? Here's an important mindset to adopt: time isn't something you spend, it's something you invest. When you invest your time, you expect a return in the form of knowledge, skills, health, relationships, or even happiness. Just like a financial investment, the choices you make with your time can compound over days, weeks, and years. The small, consistent actions you take today can lead to significant outcomes in the future. So how do we invest time wisely? At first, we have to set clear goals. Start by understanding what truly matters to you. Whether it's advancing your career, building meaningful relationships, or improving yourself, having clear goals gives you a direction to channel your time. Without goals, it's easy to drift through life without purpose. The next point is prioritize effectively. Not all tasks are created equal. Focus on activities that align with your long-term objectives. Use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix or simply ask yourself, will this matter a year from now, to determine what deserves your immediate attention. After that, we should eliminate distractions. We live in a world full of distractions, social media, endless notifications, and constant demands on our attention. Learn to say no to things that don't serve your goals. Protect your time like you would protect your most valuable possession. Invest in learning and growth. Time spent acquiring knowledge, learning new skills, or working on self-improvement is never wasted. It prepares you for opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who invested time in their craft. Then value rest and reflection. Investing time doesn't mean working endlessly. Taking time to rest, recharge, and reflect is just as important. Rest fuels productivity, and reflection helps you learn from your experiences, ensuring you make better decisions in the future. We have to build meaningful relationships. Time spent with family, friends, or mentors who uplift and support you is time well invested. Relationships are the bedrock of a fulfilling life, and they require care and attention to thrive. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Enlightened Space.